How to change currency in Google Play. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all open up Play Store, then tap on profile at the top right corner. Now simply tap on payments and subscriptions, then tap on payment methods. Now tap on more payment settings. Now wait for some time, then tap on three lines at the top left corner, then tap on settings. Now scroll down. Now under payments profile, next to country/region, tap on the pencil icon and tap on create new profile. Then tap on continue. Now tap on choose a country or region. Now select the country where you want to choose the currency from and tap on continue to save. Now this will change the currency in Google Play. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.